यूट्यूब चैनल हमज़ा नासिर ऑफिशियल। आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ। आज की वीडियो का हमारा टॉपिक है होली कुरान एमसीक्यूज, कुरान पाक से रिलेटेड इस्लामी मालूमात। हाउ मैनी वर्सेस इन होली कुरान? 1666। नेक्स्ट मूव करते हैं। क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मैनी टाइम्स इज द वर्ड कुरान रिपीटेड इन होली कुरान? कुरान पाक में लफ्ज़ कुरान कितनी मरतबा रिपीट हुआ है? 67 टाइम्स, 68, 69, 70। द राइट ऑप्शन इज 70। क्वेश्चन इज, विच इज़ द बेस्ट ड्रिंक मेंशन्ड इन होली कुरान? कुरान मजीद में कौन सी ड्रिंक सबसे बेहतरीन जिसका जिक्र हुआ है? हनी, मिल्क, वाटर, जूस। द राइट ऑप्शन इज milk. The best eatable thing mentioned in Holy Quran is honey, milk, watermelon, dabino. The right option is honey. Which is the shortest surah of Holy Quran? Surah Falak, Surah Nas, Surah Ikhlas, Surah Kausar. The right option is Surah Kausar. Is the most disliked thing by Allah Ta'ala तो हलाल इज़? वो चीज़ जो अल्लाह ताला को बहुत नापसंद है अगरचे वो हलाल है, वो कौन सी चीज़ है? हज, डाइवोर्स, मैरिज, मर्डर। द राइट ऑप्शन इज़ डाइवोर्स यानी तलाक। विच लेटर इज़ यूज द मोस्ट टाइम इन होली कुरान? कुरान मजीद में सबसे ज़्यादा लफ्ज़ कौन सा इस्तेमाल हुआ है? वा, बान, अलिफ, कॉफ। द राइट ऑप्शन इज़ अलिफ। विच लेटर इज़ यूज द लीस्ट इन द होली कुरान? कुरान मजीद में कौन सा लफ्ज़ सबसे कम आया है? ज़ा, मीम, ता, लाम। द राइट ऑप्शन इज़ ज़ा। The next, which is the biggest animal mentioned in Holy Quran? Fish, whale, elephant, anaconda. The correct option is elephant. The next is, which is the smallest animal mentioned in the Holy Quran? Fly, mosquito, spider, ant. The right option is mosquito. Which surah of Holy Quran is called the mother of Quran? कुरान मजीद की किस सूरत को कुरान मजीद की माँ कहते हैं? सूरह बकरा, सूरह फातिहा, सूरह इखलास, सूरह यासीन। द राइट ऑप्शन इज सूरह फातिहा। विच सूरह इज कॉल्ड द हार्ट ऑफ होली कुरान? मजीद की किस सूरत को दिल कहा जाता है कुरान मजीद का? सूरह बकरा, सूरह फातिहा, सूरह इखलास, सूरह यासीन। द राइट ऑप्शन इज सूरह यासीन। क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मैनी सूरह स्टार्ट विद अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह? 4, 5, 6, 7। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 5। 5 surah are Fatiha, Inam, Kahf, Saba and Fatir. The next is, how many surah start with word inna? इन्ना के साथ कितनी सूरत स्टार्ट होती हैं? 4, 5, 6, 7। The correct option is 4. 4 are Surah Fatiha, Surah Nuh, Surah Qadr and Surah Kausar. How many surah are Makki revealed in Makkah? मक्की सूरत की तादाद कितनी है? 85, 86, 87, 88। The correct option is 86. The next is, and how many surah are Madani revealed in Medina? 28, 27, 26, 25। The correct option is 28. Which surah is from the name of tribe of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Surah Lahab, Surah Quraysh, Surah Hashim, Surah Sabi. The right option is Quraysh. Which surah is the name of Allah repeated only 5 times? Surah Anam, Surah Hajj, Surah Maryam, Surah Mu'mineen. The right option is Surah Hajj. The next is, surah is the name of one holy war? Surah Rum, Ahzab, Fatiha, Surah Nasr. The right option is Surah Ahzab, which is also called जंग अहज़ाब, ग़ज़वा अहज़ाब। The next is, which surah is the name of one metal? Surah Ra'd, Hadid, Ahzab, Hud. The right option is Surah Hadid. The next is, surah is called Rusul Quran, the bride of the Quran. Surah Fatiha, Yasin, Jinn, Rahman. The right is Rahman. The next is, which surah was revealed twice? Surah Ikhlas, Fatiha, Ayatul Kursi, Surah Tawbah. The right option is Fatiha, revealed twice. Which surah is the name of Allah repeated in every verse? Surah Ikhlaq, Surah Mujadala, Surah Mumtahina, Surah Fatiha. The correct option is Surah Mujadala. The next is, surah starts with Tabarakallazi. Option 1, 2, 3, 4. The right option is 2. Surah Mulk and Surah Furqan starts with the word Tabarakallazi. The next is Makkah. The next is, Makkan Surah were revealed in how many years? 12 years, 13, 14, 15. The correct option is 10 years. The next is, Madani Surah were revealed in how many years? 9 years, 10, 11 and 12 years. The right option is start with the word Qad. 2, 3, 4, 5. The right option is 2. Surah Mujadala and Surah Mu'mineen start with the word Qad. The next surah is related to Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Surah Humaza, Surah Tagabun, Surah Adiyat, Surah Balad. The right option is Surah Adiyat. The next is, surah has every verse ending with letter Dal. Ikra, Falak, Balad, Ikhlas. The right option is Ikhlas. The next is, surah every verse ends with letter Ra. Buruj, Darik, Kausar, Shams. The right option is Kausar. The next is, this surah is revealed in respect of Ahle Bayt. Surah Luqman, Qamar, Lail, Insan. The right option is Surah Insan. The next is, in which surah is the creation of human beings mentioned? Hajj, Hijr, Hadid, Humaza. The right option is Hijr. In which surah are the regulations for prisoners of war mentioned? Surah Baqarah, Surah Al-Imran, Surah Nisa, Surah Insan. The correct option is Surah Nisa. The next is, surah deals with the laws of marriage? Surah Baqarah, Al-Imran, Nisa, Insan. The correct option is Surah Nisa. The next question is, surah is the law of inheritance mentioned? Baqarah, Al-Imran, Nisa, Insan. The correct option is Surah Nisa. The next question is, in which surah is the story of the worship of cow of Bani Israel mentioned? Surah Baqarah, Taha, Qasas, Kahf. The right option is Surah Taha. The next is, surah is the hijrah of the Holy Prophet mentioned? Surah Araf, Surah Hud, Surah Nuh, Surah Anfal. The correct option is Surah Anfal. The next is, in which surah are the 27 attributes of Allah mentioned? Surah Hadid, Rahman, Yunus, Yusuf. The correct option is Eid. The next question is, which is the best night mentioned in Holy Quran? The right option of this question is Laylatul Qadr. Which is the best month mentioned in the Holy Quran? Rajab, Shaban, Ramazan, Hajj. The correct option is Ramadan. The next is, how many words are in the longest surah of Holy Quran? The correct option is 20,500 words are included in the longest surah of Holy Quran. How many times is Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim is repeated in Holy Quran? 116, 115, 114, 113. The right option is 14 times. The next is, Surah starts with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. 116, 114, 115, 113. The right option is 113. Only one surah is not started with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, which is Surah Tawbah. The next is, in what surah the first ayah in the Holy Quran revealed? Surah Fatiha, Muzammil, Mudassir, Iqra. The right option is Iqra. The next is, what is the translation of Muzammil? The enshrouded one, the cloaked one, the feared one, the runaway one. The right option is shrouded one. The next is, in which surah does the letter Fa did not appear? Al Imran, Baqarah, Fatiha, Nas. The right option is Fatiha. The next is, which surah is the backbiter condemned? Backbiter means ghibat karna. Munafiqeen, Humaza, Nuh, Zalzala. The right option is Humaza. Next is, which surah is considered as 1/3 of Quran? Surah Ikhlas, Falak, Nas, Fatiha. The right option is Ikhlas is considered as 1/3 of Quran. How many surah name is only one letter? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct option is 3. Three surahs are Qaf, Sad and Noon are the only surahs which starts with only one letter. The next question is, how many stages are there in Quran? 6, 7, 8. The correct option is 7. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसी तरह के वीडियोस हासिल करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अपनी दुआओं में याद रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।